Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can remove fingerprint lock from WhatsApp app on your Android device very easily. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching and put your likes under this video. So friends, let us get started with you. First of all, you will need to open the WhatsApp app on your device. After that, on the top right side, tap on the three dots. Next, select Settings. In Settings, you'll need to scroll down a little bit, or you'll need to scroll up just a little bit different for everyone. And find the Privacy option. Then in Privacy, folks, you'll need to scroll down, find the App Lock. As you can see, I, like you, will probably have the fingerprint app lock automatically enabled. And it's, as you can see, in my case, for example, it's automatically set to 1 minute. That is, if I don't lock the app, then it will automatically lock after 1 minute, and after fingerprinting, I will be able to unlock the app in question. If you have the same situation and you have the fingerprint lock option enabled, and you are very annoyed with it and very often WhatsApp asks you to unlock it, then you can simply disable this feature. For that, you will just need to click on this button here. So, as you can see, this feature will be disabled immediately. Friends, this is the way you can quickly and easily remove the fingerprint lock from WhatsApp app on your Android. I really hope, friends, that this video helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, friends. Goodbye.